So here you see how to adjust the CV signal. Here you have the filter, the analog filter. I put it up to 3 kilohertz. It's quite nice, and all other filters, all digital filters off. So this is now, as you can hear, the noise. You can reduce the noise. 500 Hertz, 300 Hertz. So now you can adjust the, here on the right side, the digital filter. As you can see here can you see how clear or not clear the signal, the noise floor is. With such a clear sound, you can get away with a preamp. Try some attenuation. Now it's very, very clear. Huh? 100 Hertz is good enough. And now you can see if it's now is the RPF is on, the RPF filter is on, so the signal is clearer because of the digital filter, which is perfect for continuous wave. And the digital noise filter takes away too much. I think you can adjust it a little bit. But I think in this case the digital noise filter is not good, because here now it's too low for the attenuation. So I take away that attenuation. So this is the perfect signal. This is the FAF22 signal of the French Secret Service. It's training for CV operators. Okay, I think this should work good enough, and you now have seen the value of the digital or the analog filter. 500 Hertz is clearly better.